Hey cuties, I'm back. Since I did a full glam makeup tutorial today, I thought that I'd also show you how I'm gonna get my hair out of this mess. I haven't washed it in like 5 days. And so this tool is a lot like those crimpers that have the 3 large barrels. I just have always had a hard time maneuvering those things, like accidentally burning my neck, side of my face or my ear. So I went looking on Amazon for one that would give me the same results, but easier to use. And I found it. I get so many compliments every time I wear my hair like this. I love how you can see it locks into place for storing. Just gonna push that down. And when I turn it on, I'm immediately going to turn the temperature up to 340. It goes as low as 240 and up to 400, but I'm not trying to fry my very already fried fine blonde hair today. But so no, I'm not going to be starting with dry shampoo. I am going to use it eventually, but I don't want to put a bunch of dry shampoo on my hair and then fry it with heat. So I have my hair parted down the middle and using a big tooth comb to get the tangles out to where it's a little more manageable. Once it heats and we'll hear it beep, I'm going to be using Biolage Thermal Active Setting Spray. I like this one because it's also volumizing and it smells really good. So I'm gonna just spray some of this on layer by layer. You don't want to do it all at once because it's volumizing, your hair will just end up looking like a rat's nest, or I guess stay looking like a rat's nest. I've made that mistake before. So it's beeped and ready. It'll also, if you want to, keep it on your hair as long as 10 seconds. It beeps to let you know that you've been holding it there too long, but there's no need. And as you can see, you're just going to go down each strand, picking up where you left off from the last clamp. Okay, and don't worry because obviously we're not just going to leave it like this. This is where the magic happens. So this is where I'm going to use dry shampoo. I love Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. I am just going to spray this in rough little sections. Not necessarily because I'm worried about it looking dirty. It also just helps with the hold and volume. Then to flip this side. Get it nice and big how I want it. Then after that, I'm going to be using the Chi Infra Texture. So it's a light hold hairspray and texturizer. And I'm just going to spray this all over. Ooh, I forgot how good it smells too. And voila, we are ready to party. So if you're one of those people who thinks that your hair won't hold curl, I highly recommend trying out different products because I think you might be pleasantly surprised. All right, cuties, the best is yet to be and the future is ours. See you next time.